If you are advanced, you can use this routine to warm up before doing more advanced tricks with one arm or doing power moves. Or you can repeat the same routine multiple times to just work on your basic freezes with two arms. If you need more help for your breaking, check out my Patreon link in the description. Or if you want to learn specific moves like the windmills, swipes, flares and air flares, check out the guides that I made on my Ko-fi page, link in the description as well. Oh, and by the way, if you need breaking shoes, check out these ones from B-Boy Dizzy. You can have a discount code if you use my link in the description. They are very comfortable for breaking and they are slippery, so if you want to do like flares or leg works, they slide on the floor and it's very cool. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!